Good morning, everybody. Bear with me here. I'm not really used to making any videos. It's not gonna be a great video, but I did want to make something, and I wanted to talk about a laser engraver that I recently bought. My brother and I were looking into doing some engraving. We wanted to do wood cups, but we found out that if you want to engrave some metal, you really need to get a pretty powerful machine. We started looking around and we came across this company, BOGONG. Reached out to BOGONG. They put us in touch with one of their agents, and that person, she was super helpful. She answered all of our questions. What she did was she basically, we told her this is what we want to engrave. One of the things is we were thinking about engraving guns. She's like, well, if that's what you want to do, we can definitely take care of you. We have this laser. It's a 100-watt laser engraving machine, and it will do anything that you throw at, basically. So I'm going to show you the machine. I don't know a whole lot about it yet. I'm still learning myself, honestly. I've had a little bit of experience working with it. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, this thing is scary strong. But there's warnings all over the machine. They send you goggles. You just have to use your head, Obviously, this isn't for kids to be playing around with. I tell my girls to get out of here when I'm working on it. But let me get to the machine and show you it. So this is it here. It comes in two parts. You got the tower. Basically, it just basically looks like a computer tower. And then you have the business end. This is the laser unit. It comes pre-assembled, basically. The only thing that I had to put on was this work area light. It's already hardwired to the tower. From the tower, there's a plug. Comes with a foot pedal. Comes with a USB cord that hooks up to your computer. You need a computer that's running Windows 10. Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. It does not, they're saying that it does not work with Windows 11 right now. So had a computer, it's running Windows 10. They give you a thumb drive, has all the software on it. I'm going to take you here real quick, I'll show you. They give you a little thumb drive. It has the drivers for the laser machine, has the software EasyCAD on there. In the paperwork that they give you when they buy the machine, they walk you through how to install the software on the computer, how to install the drivers, and from there you can, start engraving. I like the machine so far. The fit and finish, everything, it feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap, heavy. I mean, honestly, when this got here, this whole setup here is probably easily 150 pounds. It shows up in a big crate. Got delivered by UPS. We did get some extra things with it. I talked about engraving some cups. One of the things that you need is a rotary chuck. So they offered the rotary chuck, and we picked one of those up. This thing is solid, man. I'll tell you what. It's heavy. It's solid. They give you a bunch of little accessories with it. They give you some Allen keys. They give you some aluminum blanks to do business cards, the keys for the chuck, keys for the machine, and some extra cable there, USB cable. So it had everything that we needed, everything that we wanted to get started. But I was able to get in and start lasering that day. And let's be real, it was fun. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we're going to get to the good stuff, and we're going to start cutting. We're going to start laser engraving. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to ruin this or not, but what we're going to do is we're going to laser engrave an American flag on my Glock 21 slide. I'm going to hit OK. What it does is fills in your American flag. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit light. Basically, that light it's like framing. It's going to frame your design on your gun. So that way you get an idea and you get to put it exactly where you want it. So let's come over here to the laser. And, let's see. I guess it would help if I actually hit the button so it marks it. But so I'm going to hit the light. Okay, so now what it's doing is it's taking the laser and it's projecting it into the shape of the design that I want. Okay, so I'm going to set the camera up here. That way you guys get a front seat view of me doing some work with a gun. All right, so you see the laser. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to put that American flag. I think I'm going to put it right here. So that's kind of cool. I love how it shows you where it's going to put it. That way you don't have to guess. You know, you get it right the first time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over and let's see how this works. Okay, all right, let's go see how it turned out. Okay, get the camera set up here. You can take a look. Now, like I said, I'm a complete amateur here. All right, so let's take a look at this. Like I said, I'm a complete amateur here, so bear with me. But I think that turned out pretty good. What I'll do is I'll take a brush, I'll clean that up a little bit. We'll put some material or some stuff on there. I guess some Renaissance cream, that'll keep it from corroding. But you know, just in terms of the laser goes, ease of use and engraving, I'm really happy with it. There definitely is a learning curve, but you know, I'm happy that I ordered from a company that got it to me quickly, that gave me great support, helped me find out what laser was going to work best for what I wanted it to. And honestly, even now that I got the laser, the person that they put me in contact to, like, they reach out and they check, hey, how's it going? Do you need anything? I just think so far this company has been great, and I wouldn't hesitate to get a laser from them. So I don't know. Look for more videos. I'll see if I can learn this software a little bit better and maybe get some better designs and do some more engraving. But yeah, so that's it. All right, YouTube, have a good day.